It's for the majority of North Texas now. So we've got to keep our eye to the sky for the potential of severe thunderstorm development today here across the Metroplex and up to the north of the I-20 corridor. Anywhere shaded in pink until 10 p.m. Let's make sure we're keeping an eye out for severe weather potential. We're looking at gusty winds upwards of 60 miles per hour or stronger, and the potential for some hailstones that could get up to about quarter size. That's the main concern with any of these storms that do flare up. Again, anywhere along the I-20 and up to the north along the Red River Valley is where we have the threat as we continue through the rest of the evening hours tonight. Again, large hail, damaging winds are the primary threat here. Tornado threat is low but non-zero, and flooding threat with any training shower and storm that does develop. As of this current moment, we have a cluster of cells that's moving across our far northeastern counties down to the south and to the east. Also, just some spotty shower development over towards places like Wise, Denton, and Jack County. And then, of course, we're watching that severe thunderstorm warning that is now in effect near the Jacksboro area moving towards Runaway Bay. At the moment, we're looking at that severe thunderstorm warning that will stay in effect over the next hour or so as it continues to move to the south and to the east at about 45 miles per hour. If you're over towards Poolsville, we're talking about 6:35 until this thunderstorm is in your vicinity. Gusty winds upwards of 60 miles per hour, potential for hailstones upwards of quarter size are the biggest concern associated with this storm. Over towards Bridgeport, 6:05 until this severe warned thunderstorm is in your area, and over to places like Aurora around 7. Weatherford, we're talking around 7:30. So just keep your eye to the sky today. Level 1 threat is going to encompass anywhere from Paris down to Mineola, stretching across Dallas and Fort Worth, including Cleburne and Stephenville. Level 2 out of 5 threat, anywhere shaded in yellow. That's where the bulk of the activity is localized at this current moment. Let's track this activity as we continue through the evening hours tonight. Notice that our forecast model actually shows everything moving off to the east and kind of dissipating. Then tomorrow likely to stay dry with the exception of a couple pop-up showers and storms for our very far northeastern counties. It's something we'll keep an eye out for through the rest of the evening hours tonight. Been extremely hard to forecast, but just know until 10 p.m. make sure you're keeping your eye to the sky. 93 degrees outside of Dallas-Fort Worth. It feels more like 98. Why? We have a lot of moisture content in the atmosphere. Dew point temperature is at 69 degrees. That's what's making it feel even hotter. Big ridge of high pressure continues to develop and strengthen through the rest of this week into the weekend. That's what's bringing on the heat. Tomorrow you're waking up in the upper 70s, but the high temperature will be in the upper 90s. It'll feel like the triple digits. That's going to be the case through the rest of this week into the weekend. And guess what? I'm tracking triple digits back into the forecast as we move into the end of the weekend and start of the next work week. Gear up for those triple digits. They're back. Make sure you're staying hydrated. It's going to be hot.